butter.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to 80 Foods. How are you doing today? I'm doing great. This time we will learn about butter. Look at the picture. The butter is yellow. Let's begin the class by studying some words.
Dairy. Milk is dairy. Other food made from milk is also dairy food. So butter, cheese, and yogurt are dairy foods. Spread. In the picture, a knife is moving jam over the bread. The knife spreads the jam. It looks like strawberry jam. What do you spread on your bread?
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Spread. Dairy.
Now you will read a story. After you read it, you will take a quiz.
Do you know what butter is? Butter is a dairy product. We make butter from milk fat. The yellow one in the picture is butter. We put butter in and on many foods. We make cake, biscuits, and cookies with butter. We use butter as a spread on bread. We use butter for cooking. What is your favorite food to eat with butter?
What is butter made of? Milk. Wheat. What is true about butter? It is not a dairy product. We use it to make cake.
Do you like corn? I like corn coated with butter. This is the end of our lesson today. See you next class. Goodbye.